AMC is down for a second straight trading session. It is currently trading at $8.11, a loss of 6.03%. The price reached a new 52-week low of 7.71 at some point. This was beneath, or this is beneath the previous low of $8.43 by 8.54%, and it is 91.87% from the 52-week high of $94.85. So we know that they have indicated that they have plans to sell up to 40 million shares. It says here that was yesterday. MC discloses plan to sell up to 40 million shares, and then the shares are plunged yesterday. But the buyers haven't bought their stock yet. They haven't. Nothing has really happened yet as it concerns deep buying. So let's look at the order book for AMC. So what you're looking at right now, this is the market orders. These are the orders that are currently driving the market. Because when you place an order, the market orders usually tend to go in if the prices are met. The market orders, once you place it, they will go through because you are buying at whatever price it is. And then you have here, this is, I believe, this is the selling side. This is the sell side. You can see they have higher prices. These guys are using, I can imagine most of them are limit prices, limit orders. They want to get in, they want to sell. You can see the prices are all above the current price of 8.08. So these you can see they're not as active as this side, the market order side. And then this is the buy side. As you can see, they have they tend to have lower prices. They're buying this. They have lower prices, and some of them are on limit prices, limit orders as well. You can see they're not going through because the market is not trading at those prices. So these are going through because these guys want to get in at whatever price it is. So, but you can see the sizes are quite small. So they are the ones driving the market. The liquidity has dried up. You can see that very small sizes are going through 1,100. So even as much as the stock is down by 6.15%, there is some liquidity, some liquidity issues there. If these prices continue to go through, not all of them are buy prices. Some of them might be sell. So. But if we continue to get market orders going through that and that are buy ask orders, ask is to buy, then you might see that this loss it might begin to depreciate. But as things stand right now, it is the orders that are going through on this market order are both asks and bids, but they're not huge, and probably they are behind this they are going through, they are also crushing the liquidity, ensuring that it just keeps trading at this 6.6% or thereabout. So there's a good balance of asks and bids going through now, but the orders, the sizes are very small. The sizes are very small, and you can see what we have over here. These guys want to sell. They want to sell. You can see how their sizes are much more bigger than what you have over here. 2,000, not by a huge lot, but you can see reasonable sizes at 2,000. And you have 4,000 here. They're not going through yet because the AMC is not trading at 8.15. It's not trading at 8.13. So these are the guys that are driving the market. 2,755 it has gone through, and also depending on when you place the order, the ones that are ahead of you, those ones will go in first, and but the asks they are going through. Some of them are going through because the prices have been met, but at the same time as well, it also depend on what's going on, even if your limit order price target has been met, it doesn't mean that it will go through. It may not go through. There may not be enough time for that order to be placed. So this is the order book for AMC. 30.804 million shares have crossed the tape so far. So let's look at trading view and see what the projections are saying. We have we have a projection. This is a 10 period projection. It's projecting that we are going to continue to retrace, and then at some point we might at some point this is projecting around it's projecting around in a few hours time. It's projecting, yes, I got this right, it's projecting that around the time now. Okay, let me find out what its New York time is. I'm using the local time. The New York time is let me get it. The time in it's 12:23 p.m. 12:23 p.m. So let's get that back. I guess let's get back there. 12:23 p.m. So by 12:28, it's projected that it might begin to extend. By 12:29, it would have reached these are projections of it would have reached this moving average would have reached around $8.08. So this is what the algos are projecting. The linear, moving average regressions are projecting. So we have seen now it has plunged, broken out from that range it was trading at. Now on yeah, it's broken out from the range it was trading in. Okay, but in any case, on this 1 minute chart we have projections all the way towards $8.34. we have 8.12, and just right around yes, okay, 8.12, just slightly above that projection of 8.07 of its 10 period moving average. So we have a downward projection of 8.03, pulling back up again, and we have 7.97 all the way down to 7.48. so actually printed, if it's 2 week low, so these sort of levels have actually been printed, I want to believe, at some point. At some point it has actually printed, I think maybe 7.7 or thereabouts. Let me see what that logic is saying. It printed 7.71. yes, I got that, 7.71. okay, so let's get back to the order book and see what's going on with AMC. It's retracing. You can still see that a lot of those bid prices are still there. They're still hanging. They're not going through. They're not going through yet. It's mostly the market orders that are going through. Market orders for ask or for buying or selling, they are the ones that are going through. They are the ones driving the price. They were the ones driving the price, either positively or negatively. So if they are if the aggression is more on the bid side, then you're gonna have more retracement. If it's more on the ask side, then it's going to show strength. It's going to appreciate, So yes, that's what's going on with AMC. They plan to sell 40 million shares very soon. What are they saying? Yes, yeah. So see what you make of AMC stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.